In this guide, we'll explain how to delete a staff member in openSIS. Deleting a staff member permanently removes them from the system, erasing all their records. However, this action comes with certain restrictions. If the staff member has any associations, such as having posted grades or taken attendance in the past, they cannot be deleted. If they are only scheduled to a course section, you must first remove them from the schedule before proceeding with deletion. To start, go to the Staff menu and navigate to Staff Information. From the list, locate the staff member you wish to delete. Click on the three dots and find the Delete Staff option. When you click this option, the system will ask for confirmation. If you're sure you want to delete the staff member, click Yes, and the staff will be permanently deleted. Remember, deleting a staff member is irreversible, so make sure to double-check that they have no critical associations before proceeding. With these steps, you can ensure that the staff member is properly deleted from your system in openSIS.